Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming back to my channel Smart Index Edge. In today's video, I'm going to show you the rolling pivots, which are the hidden edge over super trend RSI. All might have used super trend, all might have used RSI, but this is the beauty of the rolling pivots. You might have felt no matter how hard you analyze the charts, the market still manages to outsmart you. You spot a super trend turning green, you enter confidently, and suddenly the trend flips and hits your stop loss. You look at RSI, it says overbought or oversold, price just keeps doing the opposite. You sit there wondering, is the market random or are my tools outdated? Let me tell you something real. It is not the market that is confusing, it is the lens what we are using to view it. Super trend and RSI are both wonderful indicators, but they are followers. They wait for the market to finish moving before giving you permission to act. You wait for that. By the time they give you permission, the action will be over. They are like news anchors reporting what already happened. By the time they signal, the real move is often off over. And in a market that moves by seconds, a late signal is as good as no signal at all. That is where my rolling pivot indicator stands apart, tall, proud, and precise. It doesn't chase price, it flows with the price. It is not chasing the price, it flows along with the price. It doesn't wait for confirmation after the storm. It senses the breeze before the storm begins. That is very, very important. Rolling pivots evolve with every tick, adjusting dynamically to volatility, price rhythm, and real time structure. It is not static, it is alive. Every pivot that rolls forward tells a story of strength, exertion, expansion, or reversal. It lets you see market intent, not just market action. That is very, very important. Intention of the market should be understood. Think of it like this: if super trend is a traffic light that changes color after the vehicle has crossed the signal, and RSI is like checking your pulse after you have finished running, then rolling pivot is your GPS system tracking every turn, speed change, and direction, guiding you as it happens. And I have made this rolling pivot indicator dynamic with color changes also. You can guess the exhaustion immediately. With rolling pivots, you no longer react, you anticipate. You don't chase entries. You position yourself where the move begins. That is very, very important. You have to position yourself when the move begins. Especially if you are an option trader, it is very, see, slight slippage will cause you to huge losses. And it affects your psychology. You cannot sit with peace. Precise entry is very important. Precise guessing is very important when the market starts moving up or down. You don't guess tops and bottoms, you read the pressure building beneath the surface. It shows you where the market wants to go, and when it starts shifting control from buyers to sellers or sellers to buyers. It is like having the market whisper in your ear. Here is where I am likely to turn. Here is where I am losing strength. Here is where expansion begins. And that's why rolling pivots aren't just another indicator, they are a revelation. They combine the logic of price memory, the precision of structure, and the intelligence of adaptability. They remove lag, eliminate confusion, and bring clarity to even the most volatile moves. Yesterday, you might have observed how the Nifty behaved. Initially, it popped up like as if it is going to go up, but my indicators tell that it is not so. It is sell and rise, it was telling you. You wouldn't have made mistake if you would have observed the rolling pivot carefully, and the traders who have accessed my indicator rolling pivot, they wouldn't have done mistake. Traders who have relied on delayed signals finally feel in sync with the market rhythm. No more frustration watching price reverse right after your entry. No more guessing if RSI divergence will actually play out. No more wondering when super trend will flip. When you use rolling pivots, you will notice something magical. Your charts start making sense. You will see structure, you will see control, you will see logic, and above all, you will see confidence returning to your trading. That is very, very important. Building confidence in your trading is very important. That boosts your psychology. When psychology is boosted, definitely your trade will go smooth. You will be profitable because this indicator isn't built on fancy math or false hope. It is built on pure price behavior. It captures the story of buyers and sellers, one candle at a time, and rolls forward with you. So, next time you are tempted to follow a delayed signal, ask yourself, do you want to know what just happened? Or do you want to understand what is unfolding right now? That is the power of rolling pivots. Not just another indicator, but a window into the market's mind. This is not hype. It is precision, it is structure, it is the next evolution of trading intelligence. Yes, traders, it is next evolution of trading intelligence. So I welcome you to the world of rolling pivots where you stop reacting and start reading the rhythm of the market and trade with along with that. So, friends, I am going to show you how these things are there. Why comparison? Super trend and RSI are popular, very much popular. Almost all the traders use super trend and RSI. Both are reactive indicators. But whereas rolling pivots are adaptive and predictive. Rolling pivots are adaptive and predictive. Let us explore why this difference matters. Super trend, it is like a late traffic signal. Uses ATR, average true range to trail price. Flips color only after reversal. That is a very late signal. Often lags and misses early entry. Reacts after momentum fades. What is the use? What is the use? While you are trading in options, if it is lagging like this, you cannot make money. The market fluctuates so wildly, so you will lose money. RSI, the pulse check, measures strength but not direction. It measures strength. RSI, relative strength index, is a strength measurement index. It doesn't show you that direction properly. Overbought reversal, divergences can appear too early, great for confirmation, but not anticipation. You cannot anticipate, but confirmation comes with the RSI. What is the use? In a live market, you, it doesn't give you anticipation, then there is no use in using RSI. All this super trend and RSI are outdated. Rolling pivots, they are the market's GPS. Continuously rolling with the price structure, adjust dynamically to volatility, reflects real time support and resistance. Reflects real time support and resistance, captures intent, not just movement. Super trend is analogy is like a traffic light, reacts after crossing. RSI is pulse monitor after the race. You are going to check the monitor pulse after you have completed your race. It is RSI is like that. Rolling pivot is GPS sitting along with you, updates live every turn. So you might have had your GPS on your car. You know that every turn it tells you turn right, turn around 200 meters, you turn, take left, go straight. It is like your GPS. So you, for an intraday trader or an option trader or a swing trader, rolling pivots are very, very important. Very, very important. This is a GPS for your trade. ATR RSI levels are static settings. They are not dynamic. Even the CPR, pivot, classic pivots available on the trading view, they are also static settings. Rolling pivots evolve tick by tick. That is the beauty of the rolling pivot. Captures early trend shifts automatically. You have to capture that. If you do not capture the trend shift automatically, you will be losing money. That is in the world of market, um, which changes its behavior in seconds, you need the rolling pivot. Super trend and RSI ignore previous swings. Rolling pivots respect past highs, lows, and closes. Logical projections of true market reaction zones. Yesterday, same thing happened. The market, when market, Nifty gapped up, the previous pivot line acted as a reference level as the resistance. And with the GAN Hilo combination, it was telling that market is in a downward bearish tone. It was a market player's gimmick to push the market higher or make the put option cheaper to enter at a discount price. That's what happened in the market, and my rolling pivots were able to capture that. Super trend flips late. RSI may give premature divergences. How many times you might have seen the divergence and thinking that it is a divergence, you enter into the trade and you get trapped. That has happened for you people, not only for me. It might have happened for you people. That's what we have learned. I too learned the same thing. Rolling pivot shows subtle shift in control early. That is what we need. Now I am trading with confidence. Even my psychology has been boosted. You cannot do mistake. Rolling pivots build structure layer by layer. You can make out that pivots are descending, pivots are ascending. The structure will be built layer by layer. It identifies expansion, contraction, and exhaustion phases. So you must know when the contraction is going to happen and when the exhaustion is going to take place. That is most important. You can get out of the trade immediately when the exhaustion phases starts. And you must know when the contraction starts. Helps plan entries, exits, and reversals. All the three are important. Entry is important in the market, exit is important in the market. You should identify reversals also. If you do not identify an entry or exit or a reversal, you will be in trouble. So it gives you clarity. It mental clarity, structural clarity, and psychological clarity for your trade. So I'm going to take you to the live example visualization in the next chart. I've applied on the Nifty only super trend. Can you see the super trend? Price has come down. It is going there up. You do not have any clarity where is the resistance. And even if you guess this is the resistant flip zone, it is very late. It is very late. And it is flipping very late. No clarity. This is ATR based, average true range based. It is flipping very late. Next, I will take you the super trend along with the RSI I have applied. See, the morning price moved here, and after that, you can see when the price has come over it, the RSI is going up. I'm on the 5 minutes. Where is the clarity? How can you read this? How can you read this? And super trend is lagging, no clarity, and it is going up overbought, going up. How do you see? Even if the price comes down and moves up, it is showing it is above RSI. RSI is above 72. How can you decide that you should be in a down trade? Sell trade. That is not it is very impossible. It is no clarity. You will be thinking, you will be sitting, you will be doing mistakes. That's what happened all these days. My rolling pivots changed everything. Here, I've applied rolling pivot along with the super trend. Super trend is lagging. You can see structural clarity with the rolling pivot. Rolling pivot is descending and it has changed its color. I've coded for dynamic change in the color. It is showing from this area, it is in a downward trend. I will not be going long. I'll be looking for a selling opportunity, and it rolls along with the price, and it gives you balance price, descending balance price, and you can look at it as a resistance to selling opportunity. And it also shows consolidation phases also. The price is contracting, whereas the super trend is lagging. That's what happening. So I have applied both the things, and I have coded for rolling pivot for buy signals as well as sell signals. When the price is above the rolling pivot, it is a buy signal. You can see over here, the super trend is giving you not proper direction. You don't know that. Even for a scalper, they can utilize this and make money. So, rolling pivot is an anticipation tool, whereas others are reactive tools. Super trend and RSI are reactive tools, and it is rolling pivot is foresight. You will see what is unfolding before the crowd acts. So, conclusion is you will be trading with confidence. Rolling pivots reveal the true market heartbeat. They are dynamic, adaptive, and reliable. And they give you professional edge for intraday and positional traders. That is unnecessary. You should have an edge from other traders while doing intraday as well as positional trading also. Even on the intraday, you can take positional trade. That is very, very important. If you start entering multiple times, you will be lot of slippages will be there and you will be paying lot of brokerages. Finally, what the profit culminates, it will be half of it or 70 percentage will go for the brokerage charges. What is the use of trading? No. For accessing this indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number 9845209600. This is a paid indicator, so you can experience real-time market precision with the rolling pivots. So thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off. Don't be late.